Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can link OneDrive to your PC. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer, and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find it here in your desktop, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then once you open it, you're going to be here in this window. So basically guys, once you're here, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on OneDrive folder, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open it in a new tab, in a new window, and then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly right here, you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then right here, you're going to find the option to view it online. Here you're going to find settings, and lastly right here, you're going to find folder color. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on settings, and then this window will open up. Once you're here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to OneDrive. Here in the left, you're going to find these sections. Here you're going to find sync and backup, account, notifications, and lastly about. So basically guys, if you want to link OneDrive to your PC, go to account, and then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find your account, your email address, and here under it, you're going to find the option to link this PC. As you can see guys, I have the option to unlink this PC because my PC is already linked. So basically guys, if you want to link it, just click on link this PC, and then you're going to be able to link your computer with your OneDrive account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.